There's your icy crystal clear, right?
No food market. I don't think we need to go in there, but it might be like
We
a
wasted all this stuff.
kind of, sort of. We're going back. We're going up the street from the edge of Genghis, but now we're coming back. This is the only town. I think this is the only town on the island, Vaughn. The rest is all little suburbs of clusters of homes and lakes and camping and stuff. Vaughn? Little Genghis Khan? There's Genghis gas. You like that? Scary Genghis gas.
Let's go smell Genghis's gas.
Okay, we're gonna cross here. It's a very busy place though, isn't it? Hurry, hurry, before we get run over. Beachside Cafe right there, Vaughn. See it?
Beachside.
I smell the ocean.
I can wash our luggage at the laundry there.
Wash our luggage? Yeah. Wash our clothes, you mean? Oh, we didn't even get to see all this yet, Vaughn.
Or you can smell his cars.
We have barely 20 minutes. And then we have to go Genghis Alley. Then we have to go wait for the bus at 3 o'clock.
Sushi place competitors.
Competitors. I smell marijuana.
This is
There's a
Fulford.
propane, arigato, sushi Japanese restaurant. Oof. Someone's smoking weed.
Yeah, everyone is.
Mobile in the car. There's Buzzy's. Buzzy's what? Luncheonette. I didn't smell hardly any weed in Victoria, which was nice. Local barber. I smelled it once, maybe. The rest is closed.
It smells like ocean weed. It's not a good smell.
It's a dreadful combination. Oh, it might be low tide, right? Because it comes up.
Yeah.
Look at that car. So,
What's that?
the local pub. Vaughn? So the water would almost come right up to that house. Look at that, Vaughn. That would be scary. Yeah, but what happens if the water level gets higher than that? Over. Look at these pine trees.
I'm walking the whole sidewalk. Look at that place says, Mom, it's your new house.
Oh, it's for sale too. There we go. That's a restaurant, Vaughn. See the patio
You
here?
can put it into a house.
This is a patio here.
This is your backyard.
Some people singing there. Oh, there's some shops on this side. Huh, yeah. Strong River. What is that? So lots of shops all along here too. Canada Day celebrations. Oh, look at these nice shirts, Swan, but they're for kids. Oh, what's this called? Village Hive. Oh, yeah. Heart of Rome or Bone, I can't tell. Interesting boutique. Savon? Everyone has selling these baskets here. I don't know. Salt Spring Walk Bar, but it's not open. I don't know why it's not closed or why it's not open. See those kind of. Which noodles do you want? Oh, egg noodles, rice noodles, or coconut rice? How do you know which kind of
Egg
noodles?
noodles.
Is that the ones I had?
That's probably the best one.
Choose your protein. Choose your sauce. No MSG. We'll be back on July 3rd. They're just on holiday. They just took the weekend off. Part of the weekend off, I guess. The Nook. And more touristy stuff. Right, Vaughn? There's this. See that, Bonnie, there? Pizza. Oops. Are we lost, or is this back where we came down?
I do.
Don't want to be lost if we're catching the bus there.
Oh, you're the only one leading the way.
There's a park there. Genghis Island. All I heard was there's a cafe. What's that down there, Vaughn, in red? I can't even read it. Restaurant. Salt Spring Island. We have to cut that way to go back, I think. That way?
I think so, yeah.
Did we see all this down here? Oh yeah, I think we did, didn't we? I'm confused. We go that way or that way?
Maybe both ways.
No, we're on the Fulford Genghis Road. Uh-oh. I don't want to get lost and we have to get the bus right away. No, wherever. Which do you recognize?
Where's that place we were at?
That's what I said. Where? Oh yeah, we crossed that flag. See that big flag? I don't think we got to see down there. There's so much here. Kitchen, Kamada. Salt Spring Island Fire Hall. Ooh, I already did too much filming. We're at the cheese factory and they make goat cheese here on Salt Springs Island. There's the goats. Be nice, yeah. Feeding the goats is not nice. I'm very sick. Look at that. We might as well not rush back because
goat's pregnant.
goats are lots of trouble too. They'll eat everything. Vaughn, look at them all. They milk them and make cheese with. That's a good idea. Cheese is expensive though, right? We'll have to take video of the front. You know what made me exhausted is pushing myself and going that whole time, right? You saw my face all red, right?
I just spot to sit there in the sun.
No, I don't want to sit in the sun. This rock looks nice, but that's okay. Cheese factory. There it is all in there.
It's all in the bags, getting ready.
Yeah. And it says we can look in the window. The 3 vats news here are the soft cheese vats. I don't see 3 vats. This is a 3-day process. A pharmacy vat for making ripened cheese and the draining tables for those cheeses. This is where the goats usually stay.
What are we doing, Mom?
What?
Yeah, she's just sitting in the buckets on the counter.
Yeah.
You can smell it. It really smells goat cheesy.
This is behind the goat cheese making building. I guess it's opened. Hand wash sink. There's a piece of that here. Doing everything backwards. Here's a vault here, that. Yeah. And there's a garden here.
Let's go see the roosters. You want to go to the garden?
Yeah. No, looks too hot out there. Gonna go look now, Vaughn?
Oh no, there's 3 or 4 left. We would have got a fanny pack.
Oh, we can sit out here if we wanted to. Hey? Vaughn? Nice. Chickens. Yeah, it's a goat cheese farm. Chickens. And then the road. Gonna go again? Oh, it's too close here. Chickens. Chickens, eh?
Oh yeah, adventure chickens.
It's trying to focus against the vets. Oops. You need to talk?
Bah!
Here's a sheep farm. There we go.
Bah!
Salt Spring Island. People have sheep and goats here and chickens. They have farms. Right, Vaughn? I think. You hear it?
There's our new house.
We are back at Fulford Harbour. And look at all the mercantile. And what is that, Vaughn, called?
Wine and bourbon, that's the liquor store.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, specialty foods, produce, groceries, wine, beer. Where's the ferry part now? I forget. Oh, down there. We have to go down there. See it?
Yeah.
But we can spin here a few minutes. We could actually eat supper here because we have an hour. We should go get our tickets and then come for supper, huh? Vaughn?
Yeah, we could do that.
Are you getting the background?
Yeah.
He's enjoying the view. Just for a minute. Don't bounce. Salt Spring Island, it's where we were. Isn't that nice?
Are you trying to make everyone? Are you trying to